Good morning world, how are you doing? Today's situation looks like this one as I'm on my way to Phi Phi Islands. I booked some organized tour to Phi Phi Islands and some other things like a 7 or 8 location. It's cost me approximately 75 US. They picked me up from my place and there was like, you know, all organized. There was even some breakfast and stuff like this, that's including the lunch. Now currently I arrived to one of the small islands. What's the name you can see on the screen right now. This is like one of the 7 or 8 attractions today. The Phi Phi Island gonna be later. Obviously this is very small tourist island and well, I'm looking for some bar to have a shelter because we have 40 minutes here and it's extremely hot at 10 or 10:30 a.m. already. This is a little bit of the view. This is our boat. Here is some bar, like a floating bar. This is actually Sea Star, my company name where I'm taking a tour, and this is what they're giving here is included. So it's really nice. I'm gonna have a quick Pepsi because it's cold. So happy days. This is actually Kainai Island, something like this one. Well, everywhere you can see some little bars, and the island is actually very small with the very white sand. So the bars are here. On the other side you have like a little seat, sunbeds, where you can rent for, I don't know how much they're asking, like 150, 200 bahts. I'm gonna tell you, pretty cool place. You have a nice beach, some rocks, color of the water is so beautiful. You can obviously have some cold beer from this lovely warung over here, from this lovely beach bar over here. And also you can rent a jet ski and you can enjoy your time. Pretty cool. Definitely it's too hot for my Polish standards and I'm not into the lying on the beach and doing nothing, so I will see you on another location. I also asked the lovely staff what is working in this company, what they were doing when all the tour operators were closed for over 2 years. And like anywhere elsewhere in Southeast Asia, they back to their villages, back to working on the farm or whatever kind of other jobs they could do. Unfortunately, they don't want to be on the camera for you know what's reasons, right? Also literally 10 minutes ago was so beautiful sunny day and so hot, and now it seems like it's gonna be huge rain. So a lot of is going on. That's gonna be very interesting trip for sure. See you on next one. And this is world famous Maya Bay or Maya Beach, but it's closed during September. And our boat, we can only make pictures from the boats. It must be beautiful here during the sunny day actually, by the way. And this is the situation how you can make a video or picture from the boat. Maya Bay is just behind us over there. By the way, look at the color of the water close to the Maya Bay. Close to the beach. Must be very beautiful even during the rainy season. And this is the Phi Lagoon. We're gonna stay here for an hour, I guess. But we can only stay on the boats or rent another boat, like a small local boat, long tail boat. So let's see how's the situation gonna look like. However, looks very beautiful. Alright, another position is the Lagoon, Phi Lagoon or something like that, where we cannot get inside the beach of the Maya Bay, what you saw previously, because it's closed currently. We have 1 hour on the boat. If you're interested, you can snorkel or you can swim. Most of people here coming, making pictures usually from the front of the boat, like this one, which is actually super cool. There's about 40 people on the boat, so you have to have a little bit patience to get your spot. and I made so much beautiful shots from this area. Unfortunately, flying drone is illegal currently over here. I was lucky as I asked somebody because I was nearly preparing to fly. There are some rangers over there and the big fines, and in general I don't do it. Previously people was flying, currently I cannot, so you can only enjoy the shots from the, you know, panorama like this one. Also, I think I'm the only one person here who are the YouTuber, because mostly people making pictures, including the photographer. That's so cool. Place overall is very beautiful, however so many boats everywhere around, that's one thing. You can do some water activities. Water is actually very clean, very nice. However, you know me, I'm not really into swimming, stuff like this. So, and yeah, pity about the drone, but rules are rules. Well, what I can say, we have to respect them. However, at least you enjoy a little bit of the shots. And let's see. Anyways, little tour about the boat. There are 4 V8 engines here, 750 horsepower. This is like a boat for about 36, 40 people. Some people going out, some people stay, and you have, if you take a tour like this one, you have a 1 hour here, so keep it in mind. And this is the Viking Cave. Very nice shot with this boat, I'll show you right now. It's gonna be very interesting. Let's see how, what way we can explore this one. Lucky as I'm sitting on the right side of the boat, by the way, guys. Smart, clever. That's how it looks like. Very beautiful. Very interesting, actually. I wonder if we could get inside and walk deep inside. That will be adventure. However, probably not possible. Also, this belongs to the national park, so it's many limitations, which is totally understandable, of course. The guy is saying it's about 150 years ago there was the really Vikings living, but I don't think so. Maybe 1,500 years ago, 150 years ago. And another one is Monkey Beach. However, it's very high tide, so the beach is under the water, and I have no idea where are the monkeys. Somewhere they are swimming, actually, so I'm not sure if we can see. However, the water looks beautiful. Overall, it's very beautiful over here. If I'm gonna have a shot, I will try to make a shot of the monkey, maybe swimming somewhere close to the boat. Now the mission is, as everybody are hunting for the monkeys. I'm gonna stay on the boat because I cannot swim anyways. That's you know, actually because I cannot swim and I took this trip, you could press the big thumb up, guys, and I hope so the monkey will swim next to me here. I'm gonna make a shot for all of these people are going anyway to hunt the monkeys, looking for monkeys, I mean, so I'm the monkey actually. So basically, if you are brave enough like this people here, you can go and hunt the monkeys. Let me know in the comment section if you will do it, if you will be on this trip today. I'm waiting, maybe something interesting will happen when I'm filming them. Now everybody going for snorkeling. As you can see, almost everyone will snorkeling. I'll have a rest. Currently it's raining and another attraction is snorkeling anyways. So you know me guys, I cannot swim, I'm not snorkeling anyways. But if you like it, the attraction is included, all the equipment is included, and it's 45 minutes for that. It's raining anyway, but it's very nice actually, very enjoyable. Then we're gonna go to Phi Phi, we're gonna have a lunch. For me will be a little bit break for now. And for everyone who is snorkeling, you snorkeling in the spot like this one, it will be quite busy, it's lower season anyways. I don't know where is Phi Phi, however, it's raining. Also, I'm gonna tell you the color of the water is really beautiful in Thailand, in this area of, it's a Phi Phi actually, national park. So I'm gonna enjoy my time on the boat, having some snacks, some Pepsi. By the way, Pepsi is the sponsor of this company. If Pepsi watching it, you could sponsor me as well, because I'm drinking so much the stuff. So now is the lunch time on their sister boat, so we have to move to the another boat. Ooh, shaky. They are also a diver boat, different boat for different trips. So the food is on the boat. On the second floor is the buffet. You can choose whatever you want and you can eat with the view. Don't gonna film too much because you know it's like a little bit awkward as I'm filming here anyways, but I wanted to show you so you can feel the experience. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is the last position on today's trip, and this is the Phi Phi Island itself. This is like a tourist island without cars, without motorbikes. There are some hotels, shops, bars, stuff like this one. So many boats and so many people, of course. This is the island where also you're doing the full moon parties. So a lot of young people coming to party here. Let's have a little bit look what you can find here. And also I can feel as this is going to be rainy soon. So all the boats docking here. Like on the island, and there is like one promenade and the city is deep inside. Also in the background you have mountains, but not like what we saw previously, what is accessed only from the boats obviously, right? Just for your information, Phi Phi is the complex of few islands, and the most beautiful parts are accessible only from the boat. So if you are a traveler and coming to Phi Phi, you have to take another boat to get there anyways. I will have a look around the village little bit. Chairs for rent for 100 baht. This is the restaurant. This is actually halal food restaurant. Some western food like a bar, beach bar with the burgers, noodles, coconuts, pineapples. Environment is very similar to any other very small tropical islands in Southeast Asia. One thing what I really love about these islands here are these boats with the flowers on it. I think that's the prayer flowers or decorative flowers. Looks very beautiful. Just one more shot from the boats. I don't know, I just really like them. They are so cute, isn't that so beautiful? Especially with these long tail boats, like this one. Some loud bars with the loud music you can find over here, and having some cocktail in case. And of course some Phi Phi merchandise shopping options. Well, if you're going to full moon party, definitely you have to buy it because your clothes are useless after that, after the party. On this island there are some resorts, so you can stay here for a longer way. Actually, this one is actually abandoned, I think, so it's closed. Let me know if you ever been in Phi Phi Islands, have you stayed here, or maybe you enjoy the full moon party. There is the one hotel under the totally refurbishment. Seems like many hotels are closed, especially close to the harbor. Pretty sure this is because during the pandemic the Phi Phi Island was suffer a lot, because like Phuket or Bangkok there were always some expats living, but here when all the life is going just because of tourism industry. Also from development point of view, there is construction of the promenade, there are some shops. This is actually like crossing on the other side is the another coast. I will go there. There is the pizza company, there's even Burger King. Unbelievable, I think it's McDonald's. Some little bar over here. Actually, I'm very surprised as there is the Burger King and McDonald's and coffee club. Only no Starbucks here, which is very rare for the small islands like this one. The main street deep inside the city with the promenade. Not only working on the sand. Very small, very tiny. A lot of scuba diving. A lot of cozy bars, pirate styles. Of course, you can buy cannabis and all of this stuff. Here is no difference if you can buy it in Bangkok or in Phuket. Here even easier. That's nothing has changed. Also, this small island is, if I can compare, it's a little bit like going to Gili Islands in Indonesia. A little bit, same, but different. And this is the other coast. Just you walk like a 5-10 minutes literally, and you can find another coast of Phi Phi Island. And well, you can do some canoe stuff like this one. Beautiful beach, not so big like in Phuket, but very nice. Also, I really wanted to fly a drone right now. This is the only place where you could fly a drone actually in Phi Phi itself. However, it's slightly rainy and my drone is not waterproof, so I don't want to lose the drone somewhere overlooking on the top of this big cliff or in the water itself. Doesn't really matter where I'm gonna lose it. If I lose it, it's lost forever and all the data what I have it. So I'm sorry for that, but anyways, this is like not as impressive what we were so in the Phi Phi Lagoon before, right? So I had a 1 hour in total time in Phi Phi for my tour organizer, what he organized for us. So I just have 20 minutes left. I just gonna enjoy my coffee. Actually, I have to go back to the boat because it's already starting to be rainy slightly. Yeah, that's how it is, the beautiful tour to Phi Phi Island. I hope so you enjoy. I enjoyed personally, and I'm so happy as I visited eventually these places. Let me know in the comment section if you visited. Do you like it? Hope so you enjoy. Don't forget to big thumb up. It was not easy to make it. It's not about the, you know, organizing it, but I'm not really into boats and water and this stuff, so I make it for you guys. I hope so you enjoy. Big thumb up. If you haven't subscribed yet, do it now, and I will see you tomorrow as always.